Well, this is such a great vehicle. One of my favorite designs overall, the dark blue with painted Ranger stripes. We never use a sticker. Everything is paint under the clear coat so it'll last for decades. So these are carbon fiber flares, front and back. It makes this beautiful look. Add to that the Kinzer Engineering chassis with active ride control. You've got barnwood in the back. You've got this Castano Italian leather on low back seats. You very rarely see a reimagined Bronco with the original low back seats. This is potentially the perfect Bronco, the perfect coffee cruiser or anything else you'd like to do. Push of a button, we go from a hard top with full sound isolation. It just opens up the entire vehicle. Look at the sun. Oh, fantastic. We're ready to take a drive right now. You've got a San Felipe roll bar, leather covered in this Castano Italian leather. The only Bronco builder allowed to have this leather. We went directly to the tannery. We try to provide our clients things that no one else can have, and this is one of those, along with that patent protected Freedom Top. This is delivering dreams to driveways. If you'd like this dream to become your reality, please just give me a call. I'm Seth, I'm the owner, available anytime, and this is Gateway Bronco.